Did you know that a single beehive can house up to 60,000 bees? That's right. These buzzing little creatures live in massive communities, working together in ways we often overlook. So, let's dive in and discover what goes on inside these fascinating colonies. In this video, you will explore the inner workings of a beehive. We're going to uncover the roles each bee plays, the teamwork involved, and some mind-blowing facts about their daily lives. Trust me, you're going to be amazed at how organized and efficient these little guys are. Despite their importance in pollination and ecosystems, many people don't really understand how beehives function or the challenges bees face today. Bees are essential for our food supply, but their populations are declining due to factors like habitat loss, pesticides, and diseases. It's a bit alarming, right? So, understanding their world is not just fascinating, it's crucial for protecting them. In this video, we'll shed some light on their struggles and the incredible lives they lead inside the hive. All right, let's take a closer look at the different types of bees in the hive. First up, we have the queen bee. She's the superstar of the hive, responsible for laying eggs and ensuring the colony's survival. Next, we've got the worker bees, which are all female. They do everything from foraging for nectar, collecting pollen, cleaning the hive, to feeding the larvae. And let's not forget the drones. They're the male bees, and their primary job is to mate with the queen. It's a pretty sweet gig, but they don't do much else. As you can see, each bee has its own unique responsibilities, and together they create a buzzing community that thrives on teamwork. Now, let's highlight a pivotal moment in the hive's life cycle. Imagine this. The queen is laying eggs, and the worker bees are busy foraging for nectar. Each of these activities is crucial for the hive's survival. When the queen lays eggs, she's ensuring the future of the colony, while the workers are out gathering food and resources. It's a dynamic scene, with bees flying in and out, communicating through dances, and working tirelessly. This moment really showcases the hive's vibrant life and the amazing teamwork that keeps it all going. It's like a well-oiled machine, buzzing with activity. So, to wrap things up, we've gained some fascinating insights about bee behavior and the critical role they play in our environment. From the queen bee's essential role to the tireless efforts of the workers, it's clear that these tiny creatures are a vital part of our ecosystem. Understanding their lives helps us appreciate their importance and the challenges they face. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite bee fact? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this exploration of beehives, don't forget to check out my other videos on nature and also the farm life on a farm. There's so much more to discover. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.